The Pontifical Biblical Commission is a body established within the Roman Curia to ensure the proper interpretation and defense of sacred scripture. The Pontifical Biblical Commission was established as a committee of cardinals, aided by consultors, who met in Rome to ensure the proper interpretation and defense of sacred scripture. This function was outlined in the encyclical Providentissimus Deus. The first appointments to the commission were in August 1901, but it was not formally established by Pope Leo XIII until October 30, 1902, with the apostolic letter Vigilantiae Stadique. The first commission was composed of 3 cardinals and 12 consultors. The consultors met twice a month, with secretaries present. The secretaries reported to the cardinals on the commission, who met on the second and fourth Sundays of each month. The cardinals proposed questions for the consultors to consider and voted on the answers received from the consultors. The cardinals could send questions back to the consultors for further study, commission a single consultor to investigate a matter more deeply, or sanction or modifying the study results. If a decision was reached, the secretaries reported to the Pope, who could send the matter back for further study, or ratify the results of the study. The duties of the commission were: the commission was granted the power to grant pontifical academic degrees in biblical studies by Pope Pius X. Apostolic Letter Scripturae Sanctae of February 23, 1904, Pope Pius XI, by the Motu Proprio Bibliorum Scientiae of April 27, 1924, and the Apostolic Constitution Deus Scientiarum Dominus of May 24, 1931, clarified that such degrees were equivalent in status to those of the pontifical universities. The Motu Proprio Sedula Cura was issued on that date, by which Pope Paul VI completely restructured the commission and attached it to the Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith as a consultative body. On June 28, 1988, Pope John Paul II's Apostolic Constitution Pastor Bonus confirmed the commissions being attached to the Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith, and that the Cardinal Prefect of the Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith is ex officio President of the Pontifical Biblical Commission. There is a secretary, who is not the Archbishop Secretary of the Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith, but to date has been chosen from eminent professors of the Pontifical Biblical Institute. The current secretary is Nuria Koldich. She is the first female secretary. The members are Catholic biblical scholars proposed by the bishops' conferences. Pope Francis appointed the first women to the commission in 2014.